My video guide will help you to remove the online scam related to the website savewindow.com. Savewindow.com is a deceptive website that may try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The website indicates some scary messages, such as this message that says your PC may be vulnerable to viruses and threats. The reality is that interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. If you start downloading what these pop-ups suggest, you may eventually install some sort of potentially unwanted program. So it might be that your computer is burdened by some hidden adware that results in such pop-ups. Obviously, that is not really a good experience to see these pop-ups permanently on your screen. So you should do something to deactivate them. First thing you could do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer. Make sure you research the list of the programs that you might find here. In case you find something suspicious on the list, get rid of it. To make sure that your system is free of any other concealed threats, I would recommend you to check it with the reliable antivirus software. I suggest you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your device. Combo Cleaner will help you to establish and delete all hidden threats which could possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.